Welcome to Howdy Reviews. We are trying out a Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt high performance brushless 1/2 inch hammer drill. I am doing a basement insulation project, so need to hammer drill a lot of anchor holes in the concrete floor. There are 22 torque settings for screws, plus settings for drilling and hammer drill, and 2 speed ranges. I am using a 5/32 masonry bit, making 3.5 inch deep holes. "24 seconds. My old 18 volt hammer drill was taking 1:20 seconds with the same bit, so the Ryobi is about 3 times faster. The drill includes a simple to attach handle that fits the left or right side for two-handed stability and control. "33 seconds this time. Perhaps the concrete was harder here, or I may not have been pushing as hard using the auxiliary handle. The worklight is at the base of the grip and gives great illumination of the work area, even when using short screwdriver bits. "2 seconds to drill a 2x4 for electrical cable. All based on the 18 volt 1 Plus battery that fits all the 1 Plus tools since 1996. I am very happy with the power of this 18 volt hammer drill. If you find this review helpful, give a thumbs up, or subscribe to see what else we may get up to and to easily find our other videos.